Uniswap SDK is a software development kit that allows developers to build applications on top of the Uniswap protocol, a decentralized exchange that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. To get started with Uniswap SDK, it is essential to understand the basics of the Uniswap protocol and its core components, including liquidity pools, token pairs, and smart contracts. The Uniswap SDK provides a set of APIs and libraries that simplify the process of interacting with the Uniswap protocol, making it easier for developers to build custom applications. The key concepts to understand when working with Uniswap SDK include the concept of a liquidity pool, which is a pool of tokens that are locked in a smart contract to facilitate trading. Token pairs are also crucial, as they define the tokens that can be traded on the platform. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into code, and they play a critical role in the Uniswap protocol. Practical examples of using Uniswap SDK include building a custom trading interface, creating a bot that automates trading strategies, or developing a decentralized finance application that integrates with the Uniswap protocol. To use Uniswap SDK, developers need to install the required libraries and APIs, set up a wallet and provider, and then use the SDK to interact with the Uniswap protocol. Best practices when working with Uniswap SDK include following security best practices, such as using secure wallets and providers, and testing applications thoroughly to ensure they are working as expected. It is also essential to stay up to date with the latest developments and updates to the Uniswap protocol and SDK. In conclusion, Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool that allows developers to build custom applications on top of the Uniswap protocol. By understanding the key concepts, following practical examples, and adhering to best practices, developers can create innovative and secure applications that integrate with the Uniswap protocol. With Uniswap SDK, the possibilities are endless, and developers can unlock new use cases and opportunities in the decentralized finance space.